Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show how to download and install Ruby on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL and then click on install. Then expand downloads. Now download Ruby installer for Windows operating system. Click here. And now click on this download link. Okay, now select the Ruby installer. You can download Ruby installer with DevKit or without DevKit. I am going to download it with DevKit for Windows 64-bit operating system. Click here to download. It may take a while for downloading. After a successful download, navigate to Downloads folder and then open this installer. Now select the installation mode. If you want to install it for only the current user, select this. Otherwise, if you want to install it for all users, requires administrative privileges. I am going to install it for the current user. This is the recommended. Select and then accept the license. Then click on next. Now select the installation destination folder. This is the default destination location. You can change this folder by browsing the folder where you want to install Ruby and then check this box to add Ruby executables to your path environment variable. Okay, then click on install button, then click on next. It may take a while for installing Ruby on Windows operating system. Okay, setup has finished installing Ruby. So click on the finish button. If you want to install this extension right now, check this box. Otherwise, uncheck, then click on finish. I am going to install this extension. I am going to select base installation. So type 1, then hit enter. It may take a while. Okay, now verify the installation. So open command prompt and then write this command here, ruby -- version, hit enter. That's it. Ruby 3.4.8 installed successfully on Windows operating system. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.